Installing a riser on a septic tank for a tiny house makes inspection and pumping far easier and safer. A properly installed riser assembly bridges the gap from the top of the small septic tank to finished grade while maintaining structural integrity and a gas-tight seal. For most tiny house applications, select either concrete riser sections for load-bearing or high-density polyethylene plastic risers for corrosion resistance and lighter handling, and match the riser diameter to the tank access port. Cut and clean the tank opening, set the riser with a continuous bed of non-shrinking mortar or approved adhesive, and torque fasteners, or follow the manufacturer torque recommendations so the joint remains stable under frost and slight settlement. Fit a lockable, gasketed lid rated for pedestrian or vehicle loads depending on expected surface loading, and place a protective load ring if drive over is possible. Label each riser with a weatherproof marker or plaque so pumpers can find them quickly, and stake or mark the route from the driveway or path to avoid accidental damage during landscaping. Verify riser height so the lid sits flush with grade after final cover, and check local code for required riser elevation and inspection port placement before backfilling. Common mistakes include installing a riser without an airtight gasket, which allows odors and gases to escape, so always use the manufacturer-specified gasket and inspect it for cracks before final assembly. Another frequent issue is placing a light-duty lid where vehicles might pass, leading to crushed lids and compromised access. Prevent this by installing a load-rated lid or locating the riser out of vehicular paths. A third problem is failing to confirm local code-compliant riser heights and inspection access, which can result in failed inspections. Avoid that by consulting the permitting authority early and adjusting riser length so the lid sits at the required finished grade. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like riser installations, so we help people locate local professionals and browse real project discussions. We host a community discussion area where members share tips, ask questions, and post photos so both homeowners and contractors can learn and find work.